Great question. I didn't elaborate too much on stage about it, but in the entrepreneurial community, again, before we came here, we did do a little bit of research. What we found is that there's this mismatch between what the fund managers are looking for and what really impact means in terms of circular economy. They talk about returns for the investors now, as I showed in one of the slides. They talk about numbers and figures and ROI, and the metric from that angle seems to be how much money you've raised instead of how much impact you have made or are going to make or want to make. And the way you measure impact, sometimes maybe we need to keep the money discussion, the dollar amount aside, make sure that the impact is right, and then find a way to bridge these two worlds. Again, what we're trying to point out is that we have nothing against them. They are not wrong. It's just that they've been built, trained, based on a different set of criteria versus what the world needs today. There's a glimmer of hopes, little by little here and there, but a lot more needs to be done. Otherwise, we will keep coming to every COP and it will be the same thing. I'm glad that today is the day of finance, and climate finance is a big discussion, but let's move. We know where the problems are. The scientists and the people much, much smarter than us have already, proven everything. Let's just take one step forward and recategorize or realign what it means to actually fund climate, because it's not about return on investments in the traditional way.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, go ahead.